आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
The question is, name two intermolecular forces that exist between HF molecules in liquid state. Okay, so talking about HF molecule, if you look at H and F very carefully, now F is the highly electronegative atom, right? So the electronegativity of fluorine is quite a lot, and therefore it develops a delta negative charge, whereas hydrogen develops a delta positive charge because it is less electronegative, right? So HF is actually a polar covalent compound, right? This is a polar covalent compound because it consists of polarity due to the presence of fluorine, which is highly electronegative, and hydrogen, which is less electronegative in comparison to fluorine, and therefore a polarity is developed. So as it is a polar covalent bond, dipole forces of attraction exist between them, right? Dipole intermolecular forces of attraction exist between them. Now this is the first force of attraction that exists. The second will be, now as fluorine is a very electronegative atom, and hydrogen forms hydrogen bonds with oxygen, nitrogen, and fluorine, right? Hydrogen bonds are formed with oxygen, nitrogen, and fluorine, which are highly electronegative atoms, right? So fluorine being electronegative, it forms hydrogen bonds, right? So HF molecule also forms hydrogen bonds, and hydrogen bonds are again one of the very strongest forces of attraction, right? They're a very strong force of attraction. So in liquid states, hydrogen HF forms hydrogen bonds, right? So there are two major intermolecular forces that exist between the HF molecules in the liquid state, and that dipole forces of attraction and the hydrogen bonds due to the presence of fluorine, right? Because hydrogen forms hydrogen bonds only with oxygen, nitrogen, and fluorine. So therefore, hydrogen bonds are formed, and due to the polarity, dipole interactions exist. Therefore, these are the two intermolecular forces that exist between these molecules in liquid state. That's all for the question.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।